Hey buddies, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using Draw.io to create your diagrams. Let's get started. So the first step is really simple. Open your web browser. You can use any web browser. I will suggest you Chrome and Firefox, and make sure JavaScript is enabled or enable in your browsers. Otherwise, this application will not work. The first step is just search for the Draw.io and go to this website, which is called app.diagrams.net. Open this site, and this site will redirect you to the software or web application where you can create your diagrams. Here we go. So this is the interface. Now, the first time viewers gonna see something like this. What is this? Basically, it's nothing. It's just that it's asking you where you wanted to save your files which you are going to create in this software. You can save your files in Google Drive, OneDrive, even in your device. Device means if you don't want it to store your diagram in your cloud-based accounts, you can store in your laptops or in your other devices by just clicking on device. So I will just click on device, and now everything will be stored in this laptop or my PC. And from change storage, you can change the storage. And now here you can see open existing diagram. If you have any existing diagram, just click on open existing diagram and it will open the existing diagram for you in this software. If you just wanted to create a fresh file, just click on create a new diagram, and here you can see there are already some of the samples made for you. But we wanted to make a blank diagram, so just choose a blank one and click on create. And you can also extract templates from URL if you wanted. Choose your template type and click on create. And obviously we have to save this, give this a name. I will give this test as a name. Save, and that's it. The file is created. So this is the place where you make your diagrams. In next video, I will give you little introduction about all these options. Right now I don't wanted you fill with lot of things. So see you in next video. In next video we are going to learn about basic things, which gonna help you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other question, you can ask me in comment sections, and make sure you follow us on social media. Links will be in description. Bye, take care.